Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have these solar pathway lights and we're gonna open these things up and check them out before we go and install them. So I figure we'll just open them up inside and then put them out outside. So let's see what we got here. It's a big box. Let's check this out. It's a heavy box. Okay, I'm gonna guess there's a couple of different boxes with the same things. It's two sets of these things, I guess. How many? I can't remember. 4. So it's probably 2 and 2 is my guess in each of these styrofoam boxes here. So let's see what we got. Yes. And so this is here what it looks like. So it's got a glass bulb there, and then it's got the place for the stick, and all these sticks kind of fell out, but let's see what we got here. So it'll go like this, and then this. So it'll be that high, will be how it goes. And then there's the solar panel there that it's covered with plastic. Let's take this off. These are heavy duty. Okay, is there any kind of button or anything? Let me look at the instructions just to make sure before we go and stick them outside. Yes, it looks like it will somehow unscrew. Ah, look at that. So we have it unscrewed now. It says remove before using right here. So we'll pull that tab out, which I guess is going, which I know it activates the light. Boy, that's a nice bright light, isn't it? That's really cool. And then I guess in the light it goes off, and in the dark it goes on. Cool. Well, let's go and put these outside, see how they look. Okay, it's a very cold night, but you see I've got the 4 lights set up, and it's pretty bright. Lights up the whole walkway, so it's good. It's definitely gonna make it more safe, that's for sure, for anybody coming up this walkway. It was pitch black before, so I'm gonna say I like it. Thumbs up from me for sure on these lights. Pick some up for yourselves, definitely.